Did your Asiana Airlines flight experience a delay, cancellation, or did you miss a connecting flight? Don't stress. You may be entitled to compensation. In this guide, I'll explain how you can easily claim compensation through Compensair, a trusted platform that handles the entire process for you, so you don't need to contact Asiana Airlines directly. First, head over to Compensair. While you could search for it online, it's best to use the safe link provided in this guide to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the website, begin by entering your Asiana Airlines flight details, departure at arrival airports, flight number, and travel date. You can find these details in your booking confirmation or on your boarding pass. Next, input your personal information, including your full name and email address. Compensair ensures that all your data is handled securely throughout the process. Once all the necessary details are filled in, double-check everything for accuracy before clicking Submit. Compensair will then take over, managing your claim with Asiana Airlines to get your compensation. You can sit back and wait for updates. Once your claim is approved, you'll get an email notification and your compensation will be transferred to your preferred payment method. That's all it takes. Compensair makes claiming compensation for delayed, canceled, or missed Asiana Airlines flight simple and hassle-free. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.